Hello friends, in today's video I am going to start a new series, and this series is Microsoft Azure Security, and today's topic is shared responsibility model. We already know that Microsoft Azure is the cloud computing service provider, and they are providing their service through their managed data center around the world, and these data centers are all certified and complied with all industry standards. So for example, Azure actually certified and compliant with ISO IAC 27001 2013 and NIST SP 800-53. So this actually guarantee that Microsoft Azure is very secure and reliable. So let's start today's topic, and today's topic is, as I said, it is shared responsibility model. Before we jump into the core Azure security part, let's learn few basic cloud concept. For example, what are the three basic cloud service models? This can be one of the interview question, but please try to learn the concept first before you appear for the interview or before you write the exam on Microsoft Azure. As you know that slowly I am moving to cloud security domain, and I'll be creating more and more videos and content on Microsoft Azure security, cloud security. So let's come back to our point. Our topic is, what are the three basic cloud service models we have? So as you can see in this diagram, we have private cloud, that is on-premise, and in on-premise we have applications, runtime, security, databases, servers, virtualizations, server hardware, storage, networking. These are all controlled by the customer, by us. Microsoft actually will not take care of any of these services. But when it comes to the cloud service model, in cloud service model we'll be having infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. In infrastructure as a service, you can see that we as a customer is actually managing the applications, runtimes, security and databases, and Microsoft is managing servers, virtualization, server hardware, storage, networking. This is infrastructure as a service. For infrastructure as a service, the best example from Microsoft Azure is virtual machine, Azure VM. Next is platform as a service. In platform as a service, we as a customer only managing the applications. Entire services, rest of the services are actually managed by Microsoft. For example, runtime, security, databases, servers, virtualization, server hardware, storage, networking, these are all managed by Microsoft. The last model is software as a service. In this software as a service, entire services from the applications to networking, all are actually managed by vendor. So here very little bit of security responsibility actually relying on us. Completely it is Microsoft responsibility to maintain the security of this model. And we can give an example of software as a service, that is Office 365, and for platform as a service we can give Azure SQL database. Azure SQL database we can actually give one example for platform as a services. So these are actually the basic cloud service models. This is very, very important. Please understand this concept and always remember this diagram whenever you are answering the question, or whenever you are memorizing the concepts. This is very, very important concepts. The next is how security responsibilities are distributed. So we have seen in the previous question that security responsibilities are actually defined by the services that are provided in different model. So responsibilities are actually divided basically, if we see, irrespective of the any of the cloud service model, customer will always retain the data governance and rights management, endpoint protection, account and access management. This is 100% sure that customer will always retain these responsibilities, security responsibilities. Next is Microsoft will always handle physical data center, physical network and physical hosts, irrespective of the cloud service model. That you have to remember. The last one is based on the service model, identity and directory infrastructure, applications and network and operating system. These are actually divided based on the service model. These are neither Microsoft responsibility or the customer responsibility. These responsibilities are actually divided based on the service model. So this is the basic of cloud service model and how the shared responsibility works. So if you are going to attend the interview for Azure Security Engineer or Azure Security Architect or lead position, you should be having this basic understanding. Shared responsibility model is very, very important, and I hope that this will definitely help in your career. And people who are searching for jobs, people who are preparing for interviews, please do read this blog, please do watch this video to understand the basic concepts. I hope this video is helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.